Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today, I'm sharing with you one of the best and coolest summer drinks. It's super refreshing, especially on hot summer days. If you're dealing with extreme heat, even up to 43 degrees Celsius, this drink will help you stay cool and hydrated. I personally love this drink, and my kids enjoy it so much, especially in this hot summer weather. It keeps us cool and refreshed. It's not only tasty, but also great for your body. So make sure you try it at home, and don't forget to comment below and share your opinion. So let's get started and make this delicious drink together. First of all, take a kettle and place it on the flame. Add 3 glasses of water. Then add fresh plums and a little tamarind, imli. Let it boil nicely. Now add 1 cup of white sugar and continue boiling until the seeds separate from the plums. Once that's done, use a masher to mash everything well so the plums fully dissolve into the water. Turn off the flame and let it cool down. After that, strain the mixture into another bowl. If you have a big strainer, that's great. I'm using a small one. Press it with a spoon to extract all the juice and separate the seeds. Now add some cold water, a pinch of black salt, kala namak, and mix it well. Pour it into a jug. As I pour this refreshing homemade plum juice into the jug, I hope you're excited to try this recipe at home. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below to let me know how your plum juice turned out. Your love and support inspire me to create more delicious recipes for you. A very special thank you to our wonderful viewers, Angelia from the USA, Selena from the UK, and Anjali from India. Thank you so much for your kind support and for enjoying my previous recipes. And to everyone who has liked, shared, commented, and subscribed to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And add some ice cubes, and your homemade refreshing plum drink is ready. Let's try it. Wow, it's so refreshing, perfect for summer. I hope you like it. Don't forget to comment your opinion, and please like and share with others.